Well, welcome guys. My name is Quentin. This is a vlog for Bimini. He's on vacation right now. He get all exclusive self-serve drinks, everything. Hope you guys come here and enjoy yourself. You know, like this the spot. If you're running from the snow, come to Bimini.
So we've officially docked here in Bimini, Bahamas. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. So today we will be doing an excursion. We are doing a beach day at a resort at Resorts World Bimini Beach. Check out how clear this water is. Oh, this is what I love about the Bahamas. Look at that beautiful water. Can't wait to get to the beach and do some swimming and just relax. So you have this nice little waiting area outside the ship if you're waiting for other friends and family to get off the ship. All kinds of chairs and a nice tent. See, Carnival's got you. They're always thinking of all the small little details. So we have a little spot. We're camped out for the day. Beachfront. This is our view. We have our little table. Say hi, Ann. Hi. And we have our little beach umbrella. So we do have the drink package. We have our wristbands. Drinks start at 11 o'clock. You can get a drink every 15 minutes. Standard drinks cash are $12 a drink. I'm going to show you their menu. They do serve food here on the island Bimini Beach. Lunch menu, it's $15 per item. And I'll read off some of the items and I'll show you the menu.
To thank you for joining us today. We hope you had a wonderful day full of Bimini bliss memories that you can take home and share. We wish you a happy and safe journey.
Yeah!